This is Bike-A-Dad.
Well, we rolled into Clearwater on Thursday night. It was dry, beautiful night for bike night, but Friday and Saturday are going to be a bit rained out. One of the cool things here, though, is at Bert's Baracuda Harley Davidson, they have one of the top riding courses in the whole country. And when it rains and there's a riding course, guess what? Look over here. You learn how to ride in the rain. You think you know about it, and yeah, that's in my class. It's fun.
Carlos in the back, and then I know about his